So we'll start with a sunny day on the dash cam here. This is the front camera. Across the bottom you'll see it says Rexing Dash Cam. The next set of numbers is going to be your vehicle number. It'll give you your speed, the date, and the time. So in clear sunny conditions the camera works really well. Here coming up onto some traffic, you can clearly make out the license plate number once you get 10 to 15 feet away from the vehicle. The only way that you can increase that distance that you can see that plate is possibly with a higher resolution camera. This is the rear facing camera in the same conditions, down the same road at the same time. This is only a 720p camera, but the clarity is still it's still good enough to see exactly what's going on. Can't really make out the plates too well in this video, but you can still, if someone were to rear end you, the camera would still clearly show. In this clip, the weather is more overcast with a little bit of rain, so lower lighting conditions, the camera still works pretty well with the WDR feature turned on. So everything is still fairly clear, and there's nothing really washing out on the camera here. Now to the rear camera of the same clip there. The camera seemed to focus a little bit more on the water droplets on the back of the windshield. I think with the water droplets gone, you'd still have the same effect as you would on the clear sunny day, the clip you saw earlier. But even with the camera focusing a little bit more on those water droplets, you can still see what's going on behind you and everything in the video. So if there was an incident behind you, the camera would still show what had happened. Here is night driving. This is down a side street here with occasional street lights. Here we come into areas with no street lights. The camera performs fairly well in the dark. Anything that's illuminated by your headlights is easy to see. The camera's not getting washed out by oncoming traffic as well. So as well as you could see on your own, with your own eyes driving at night, the camera's picking up similar features. So you can still see road signs and things of that sort. And as we come up to the stoplight here, there's another car that comes head-on at the intersection, and there's more lighting. You can tell the camera does not wash out when this car comes along, and you can still see a lot of the features of the intersection. This being a construction zone, so it's easier to see. It's easy to see the cones and everything of that sort. This is where Rexing's cameras really fail. This is the rear camera in obviously the night mode. The camera's not washing out with the headlights of the car that's driving behind me, but as you can see, looking around here, you can only see points of light. You can't really make out the road or anything like that. So if you're in a situation where you just have the rear camera, or you're trying to film something that's behind your car and that's where the incident occurred, unfortunately you're probably not going to see very much. To sum everything up, overall this camera is a decent camera. The front camera works really well in good lighting conditions, even low light. The rear camera leaves a little to be desired in low light conditions. But if you're just looking for a camera to mount on your car to protect yourself in this instance of an accident, or if you're going to have the vehicle parked and you have the Blackmagic Pro to power your camera while your vehicle's parked, this is going to be the camera that's for you. Again, it's lacking some of the features such as the Bluetooth, so you can view the video and everything like that on your phone. But if you are okay with just popping an SD card out and plugging it into your computer to pull the video that way, this works just fine. I did have a little bit of trouble when I tried to load the video from the camera itself through the provided USB cable. I'll continue to see if I can troubleshoot that, but the video was easy just to pull from the SD card, like I said.